Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
It's time to get up. It's time to get up.
It's time to get up.
Let's brush your teeth. Let's brush your teeth.
Let's brush your teeth.
Do you need help with your clothes?
Do you need help with your clothes?
Please eat your food.
Please eat your food.
Do you want more juice?
Do you want more juice?
Let's pack your school bag.
Let's pack your school bag.
Are you ready for school?
Are you ready for school?
Don't forget your lunchbox.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Be kind to your friends.
Be kind to your friends.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
What did you learn today?
What did you learn today?
How was school?
How was school?
Did you have fun at recess?
Did you have fun at recess?
Let's do your homework.
Let's do your homework.
Do you need help with this problem?
Do you need help with this problem?
Great job on your homework.
Great job on your homework.
Let's read a book together.
Let's read a book together.
What story would you like to hear?
What story would you like to hear?
It's time to play outside.
It's time to play outside.
Remember to share your toys.
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 Let's build a puzzle.
Let's build a puzzle.
Can you count to 10?
Can you count to 10?
What color is this?
What color is this?
Let's draw a picture.
Let's draw a picture.
Let's draw a picture.
Let's draw a picture.
Can you name the animals?
Can you name the animals?
Let's clean up together.
Let's clean up together.
Time for a snack.
Let's clean up together.
Would you like an apple or a banana?
Would you like an apple or a banana?
Did you remember your backpack?
Did you remember your backpack?
Have a fun day.
Have a fun day.
I'll see you after school.
I'll see you after school.
Did you enjoy your class?
Did you enjoy your class?
What was your favorite part of the day?
What was your favorite part of the day?
Did you play outside?
Did you play outside?
Did you make any new friends?
Did you make any new friends?
Let's have a snack.
Let's have a snack.
Do you want an apple or a banana?
Do you want an apple or a banana?
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Do you want to swing?
Do you want to swing?
Let's go down the slide.
Let's go down the slide.
Be careful climbing.
Be careful climbing.
Time to go home.
Time to go home.
Let's wash your hands.
Let's wash your hands.
Do you want to color?
Do you want to color?
Let's draw a picture.
Let's draw a picture.
Can you show me your drawing?
Can you show me your drawing?
Let's do a puzzle.
Let's do a puzzle.
What would you like for dinner?
What would you like for dinner?
Can you help me cook?
Can you help me cook?
Be careful with the stove.
Be careful with the stove.
Let's set the table.
Let's set the table.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Did you like the food?
Did you like the food?
Let's clear the table.
Let's clear the table.
Time to do the dishes.
Time to do the dishes.
Can you help me dry them?
Can you help me dry them?
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
What movie do you want to watch?
What movie do you want to watch?
Let's make some popcorn.
Let's make some popcorn.
Sit with me on the couch.
Sit with me on the couch.
Do you like the movie?
Do you like the movie?
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Which game do you want to play?
Which game do you want to play?
Your turn.
Your turn.
My turn.
My turn.
Do you want to play again?
Do you want to play again?
Let's read a story.
Let's read a story.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's brush your teeth.
Let's brush your teeth.
Time to get up.
Time to get up.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Let's get dressed.
Let's get dressed.
Do you want cereal or toast for breakfast?
Do you want cereal or toast for breakfast?
Finish your milk.
Finish your milk.
Don't forget to put your shoes on.
Don't forget to put your shoes on.
Let's go to school.
Let's go to school.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
I'll pick you up later.
I'll pick you up later.
How was school today?
How was school today?
What did you learn?
What did you learn?
Do you have any homework?
Do you have any homework?
Let's do your homework together.
Let's do your homework together.
Did you eat your lunch?
Did you eat your lunch?
What did you have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch?
Did you play with your friends?
Did you play with your friends?
Tell me about your day.
Tell me about your day.
Do you need help with your homework?
Do you need help with your homework?
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
What story do you want to hear?
What story do you want to hear?
Time to clean up your toys.
Time to clean up your toys.
Can you help me set the table?
Can you help me set the table?
Please finish your vegetables.
Please finish your vegetables.
Would you like more water?
Would you like more water?
Don't forget to say please.
Don't forget to say please.
Remember to say thank you.
Remember to say thank you.
It's bath time.
It's bath time.
Let's wash your hair.
Let's wash your hair.
Do you want bubbles in your bath?
Do you want bubbles in your bath?
Time to get out of the tub.
Time to get out of the tub.
Let's dry you off.
Let's dry you off.
Put on your pajamas.
Put on your pajamas.
Do you want a bedtime story?
Do you want a bedtime story?
Which book do you want to read?
Which book do you want to read?
Time to go to sleep.
Time to go to sleep.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Good night, sweet dreams.
I love you.
I love you.
I'll see you in the morning.
I'll see you in the morning.
Did you have any dreams?
Did you have any dreams?
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Do you want juice or milk?
Do you want juice or milk?
Let's get ready for school.
Let's get ready for school.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.